Hey, let's go to the pool.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel here, and we are here at the Pop Century Resort. This is super cool. I'm with Violet, and this is a great pool, huh? Do you know of a better pool though?
It's at Caribbean Beach Resort.
The Caribbean Beach Resort, that sounds like a great idea. We're gonna head on over to the Skyliner and head on over there. Does it sound fun?
Yes.
Let's do it. There it is over here. Thank you.
And off we go. It's also going to get really fast. All right. And roller coaster mode. 3, 2, 1.
Woohoo! What do you think of the Skyliner, Violet?
It's pretty fun. You literally, if you just like are bored and you want to do something, basically just hop on it and just go back and forth from resort to resort, and they won't care. I mean, they probably won't, but like.
I hope you can ride on it all the time if you want.
Yeah, you can just like chill until dinner or something.
Thank you. All right, Caribbean Beach Resort, let's go. All right, we're heading to Old Port Royal. It's a little bit of a walk, but we're almost there. I can see the pool from here. It's gonna be awesome.
Let's go.
All right, we're getting there, getting closer. Here you go.
Let's pick up some towels.
So what'd you think of this pool?
Pretty good. I mean, the sights are okay, and like, I don't know, it's just okay. I like it a lot though, and I think it's like
Pretty decent.
Yeah, decent.
It's got slides.
It's got 2 slides.
2 slides, not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right.
This one is the fun. It takes like, I don't know, 70 on. takes a long time to get on, but it's long and
Well, let's head back to the Skyliner and get back to our resort, okay? Super cool. Now get dizzy. Don't hurl. Oh, ugh.